Hey guys, welcome back. So before we see a demonstration of a GraphQL, how it works, we have to understand GraphQL, the operation type. So GraphQL mainly support three types of operation that happen through the GraphQL. One is query, one is a mutation, and another one is a subscription. Okay, query, it's compared to in REST API. It's similar in GraphQL. It used to retrieve data, to fetch data that we do in REST API through the get request. Similarly, mutation, it's another type of query, you can say. It's used to manipulate the data in compared to REST API, which is like post, put, delete, and so on. And the subscription type of query, subscription type of operation, I would say, operation is used in GraphQL, compared to REST APIs like real-time connection with the WebSocket. Let's an example. So first is query. The first operation in GraphQL, which is the query, is used to read or fetch the data from the server, like we use get request in REST API. Here's an example query. To write a query, you can use query, this keyword. If you don't use, it's fine. We'll see shortly how to write the query, all those things when we're going to do a demonstration in our next lecture. So here is a query, and this is the query for where we want to fetch the data for a user, specifically user ID 1, and along with this user, what do you want? We want to have the ID, name, and email address. So this is a query to fetch the data. Okay, this is the type of operation, first type of operation. The second type of operation is a mutation. Okay, so it is also, you can say, query. So it is used to write, update, or manipulate your data on the server, like a post, put, delete in REST API. To write your mutation, you are going to type another mutation, that's a keyword, and then here is the option. You can see over here we use like create user. Since this is going to be help you to post, you can post, put, delete, and so you can use a create user. That's gonna be create user in this database. Then you can give a name, email address, along with other the parameter you can pass, and along with this is the parameter. This is the actual parameter, or you can say argument you're passing for to create a user, along with and the and over here as a sub, like section, will go ID, name, email. So and the value from the email will come from here, and the value from the name will come over here, and the ID will be auto generated, which is the unique ID, right? It's created as per the data model. Okay, so this is the mutation. So what is the purpose of mutation? It is the purpose to create, update, or delete the record, and it returns you can and returns the new or update objected, right? Updated object. And the third one, subscription. The subscription operation is used to receive real-time update. It's used to receive the real-time update from the server, similar to WebSocket, right? So WebSocket always push you the real-time update. So subscription type of operation in GraphQL can do the same type of job. Okay, here is an example. So you can use the subscription keyword, and then it can send you the real-time some messages, right, for ID, content, user, for a specific ID, content, user. And that, what's the purpose? The purpose is like subscribe to real-time event. The server pushes the update to the client. Okay, so server can push to the real-time some update to the client, like notifications, something, or push it to the even new version, right? So those kind of things. So this is the three major operation happen through the GraphQL API. Hope it's easy